You know, your tires are important. Let's help them be their best. Inside the door panel is your recommended tire pressure. And you can check each tire's PSI here on the information screen. If the pressure needs to be adjusted, add or remove air. The INFINITI tire pressure monitoring system will cause the horn to honk and hazard lights to flash when the correct PSI is achieved.
Pressure's good. Let's check our tire's tread depth.
Use a gauge to measure your tire's tread depth.
Or a penny. Tread depth looks good. Ready to take off?
Let's hit it.